A hands-on video of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus has emerged, leaving very little to the imagination. Some new spec leaks of the 2020 iPhone show that Apple is finally adding some specs. We have some renders of the regular Huawei P40 series, and they pack triple cameras. I'm Jaime Rivera, and well, I thought it was Tuesday. It turns out to be Wednesday, which just explains how bad my time zoning is right now. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you have not bought that new 16-inch MacBook Pro and are considering it, I'm glad you didn't, because the deals just got intense. Right now, Amazon has that 16-inch MacBook Pro $250 off, leaving the 2.6 GHz Intel Core i7, 16 gigs of RAM, and 512 gigs of storage for $2,150 shipped. You can also get deals on other products like the GoPro Fusion, which is $70 off, leaving it at $229. Just that $250 off that 16-inch MacBook Pro is a good enough deal. I recommend you use that for AppleCare. For, you have a 3-year extended warranty for that same amount of money. You can learn more about everything in the description. Now, obviously, CES is over. Right now, everything is about MWC, and we start getting press invitations. Sony just sent out invites for an event to happen on Monday, February 24th at MWC. We are expecting a new Xperia flagship, which could be the Xperia 5 Plus that we talked about last week, I think. We could also get a mid-ranger, which is apparently powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765. There are also some leaks of the Xperia 3, but that could just be the Xperia 5 Plus. Again, we'll see what we get in the end. I hope that Sony markets their phones as well as they make it confusing to remember which variant is which. Now here's the thing, we expected that OnePlus would announce a foldable back at CES because those were the rumors. We expected that the company would come up with some sort of concept that was a foldable. Most of the rumors were pointed to that, and we got the OnePlus Concept One, which was not. The thing about it is, we kind of learned why. See, Pete Lau just sat down with The Verge and told them that foldable phones aren't ready yet. He says they took a look at them, and there isn't really that much of an advantage over traditional smartphones, with the biggest shortcoming being the crease. He says the OnePlus will look to implement folding technology once they are able to get rid of the crease, which means that we'll have to wait for that OnePlus foldable. Thing about it is, Pete, well, the Moto Razr, that one doesn't have a crease. They kind of figure that out, so why not? And how about if we move the spotlight over to what to expect for the 2020 iPhones? We've been getting tons of rumors over what we might expect. Think about it as, remember, it's early, so this is going to continue changing. UBS Analytics just gave us some leak specifications, and the report mentions a 5.4-inch iPhone, which could be that weird one we mentioned yesterday. There's also a 6.7-inch and two 6.1-inch variants. All of them are expected to bring OLED displays, but they vary in specifications like the camera. The report claims that the 5.4-inch and one of the 6.1-inch iPhones will bring dual camera lenses and 4 gigs of RAM, while the others, meaning the 6.1-inch model and the 6.7-inch model, will bring triple cameras and 3D sensing technology and 6 gigabytes of RAM, which are a good bump for iPhones. It's not normal for Cupertino to make these bumps in RAM, but let's see what for. Now, we haven't really seen much of what to expect for the Huawei P40 series, but we finally get some renders, and I'm gonna say they're kind of hot. Apparently, the renders belong to the regular P40 and not necessarily the Pro variant. We get triple cameras at the back on a different approach to the stove that kind of looks like the S20, and a dual punch hole at the front. Spec-wise, it's expected to bring a Kirin 990 with 5G capabilities, and will most likely launch with Android 10 and without Google mobile services, sadly. Thing about it is, I like that stove. I mean, that little accent that they brought under the camera lenses, they look really nice. I mean, we'll see what we get. But finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S20 and a video that just got leaked that pretty much leaves nothing left to debate. It's actually a very short video, but it could be considered a full hands-on. The video shows the full phone with only the bottom part blurred because obviously they want to cover up their tracks. But with this video, we can confirm that the device brings the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, no headphone jack as well. It also looks taller than the S10 Plus with a 21:9 aspect ratio. Thing about it is, let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like what you see or not? Because I hope this phone doesn't ship in that black color. That with the stove looks ugly in my opinion. I mean, I think that Samsung can do better than that, but we'd love to know what you think in the comments down below. I'm not impressed, but obviously we'll wait to see what we get whenever Unpack happens. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me playing around with these phones. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.